Okay, starting my day off like I always do. Actually, I'm starting off with my second cup of coffee because I already had one. Gonna throw in a couple of pumps of my skinny syrup today. I have the salted caramel mocha that I'm going to throw in, and then I'm gonna throw a little bit of half and half in there, so my coffee will be one SmartPoint. Okay, for breakfast, I'm going to have a banana. Not super starving today, but I figured I should eat something because it's after 9:30 and my stomach's starting to get a little hungry. Not like starving, but a little hungry. So I'm going to have this banana and see what I want later. And honestly, the reason why I'm not having breakfast is because I can't decide what I want. I kind of want a waffle, but too lazy to gather all the ingredients for it, so I'm gonna see if this banana just does the trick. Tell me, let me know in the comments, do you do the same thing? Do you kind of want something but sometimes you're just way too lazy to make it for yourself?
So pathetic, gotta be in the cage. We have to make a quick trip to the veterinarian's office to get a recheck on Beast. He had cut his leg a little bit, so we were here on Monday, I think. So we're back here for a recheck, so I thought I would just bring both of them. I don't know if you can see them both in there, but we're going to get him into the vet's office and see how his leg is healing. Okay, we just thought we'd say hi to Jackie real quick. She is one of our favorite fans.
Hunter and Beast, the Highland Lynx. Yeah, it's okay, Beastie. Oh, Hunter.
Yeah, they're getting kind of grumpy. They're so done here. All right, we're going to sign off and get these babies back home. Okay, so for lunch, I'm going to have some of that chili mac that I made as part of the vegetarian collaboration. And I added just a sprinkle of cheese on top of that and a side of cherries. Now, speaking of the vegetarian collab, I cannot believe that I forgot to swap out the chicken broth for vegetable broth. I was so embarrassed when one of you kind of asked that question about how it can be vegetarian if I was using chicken broth. And I was like, oh, I could not believe I did that. I mean, I totally could not believe I did that. So this technically is not a vegetarian dish because I did use that chicken broth, but again, I put a little note on that video to say, hey, if you make this, please swap that out for the vegetable broth. All right, I'm gonna eat this while it's hot, so I will be back and let you know what I'm having for dinner. Or a snack. I'll probably have a snack later. Okay, so it's definitely snack time. I'm getting a little bit hungry. It's way too early to eat dinner, and so I thought I would take a break. So gonna have to decide, do I want the vanilla chocolate cream Built Bar or do I want the banana? Now, if you haven't heard about the banana ones are coming back. I think, just looking at the date, I think these are actually back now. And I'm telling you, these are so good. They remind me, I don't know, a cross between the Russell Stover's chocolate, those little chocolate creams, or like the banana Laffy Taffies. That's kind of the banana flavor. So I think I know which one I'm gonna have. I think I'm gonna have the banana one. So 3 SmartPoints, and if you've not tried these, I would definitely give these a try. They do have them in a sample box, and I'll put my code below if you want to save some money on your Built Bar purchase. So look for the code below, and I'm going to jump off and have my Built Bar with another glass of water. I've had water since my second cup of coffee, so I'm probably getting ready to have my third glass of water that looks like this. So I just refilled it again for the 3rd time. So I'm gonna have that and have my Built Bar and finish up from my day job so that I could start getting ready for my night job, because I definitely can't go to my night job like this. So I'll have to change and get ready for that one. So stay tuned and we'll be back and I'll show you what I'm having for dinner. Okay, now it's time for dinner. I am going to have leftover fajitas for dinner. I used a total of 8 SmartPoints earlier in the day, 2 for breakfast, 6 for lunch, and plus the 3 for my Built Bar. So that brings us up to 11. So for my dinner, I have an Olay Extreme wrap, so that's 1. And then I have a half cup of rice and a half cup of beans. I'm gonna count that as 6. And then I have some leftover fajitas here, and I measured out probably about a half to 3/4 of a cup. I'm gonna just call that 2 SmartPoints because of the oil that they put on that. So that gets me 11, 12, plus 6 is 18, 19, 20. And I had an iced coffee today, so that was 21. So I think that's going to be it. I think I'm gonna call that a day here. So hopefully you like the footage of the kittens earlier at the vet. And I think that's it. I know it's not gonna be a very long what I ate today, but I just thought I would share it with you so you come along with my day. All right, so with that said, I'm going to sign off from here. Hope that you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you next time.